Welcome to all of you. So this is the fifth chapter, and in the earlier video we saw about the pollution and about the air pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and sea pollution. Now there is another new pollution that is called noise pollution. So noise pollution is something new, as you can see in this book, written in the last paragraph that noise pollution is something new. Noise pollution a kind of new pollution in our daily lives. You know how it's created, ये कैसे होता है. So with the advancement of science, bigger and more powerful machines are being produced to cope with the increased construction. So as this science is getting advanced, जैसे जैसे साइंस आगे बढ़ रहा है, बिगर एंड मोर पावरफुल मशीन्स आर बीइंग प्रोड्यूस. तो ज़्यादा मतलब बड़े और शक्तिशाली जो मशीन है वो बनाए जा रहे हैं, सो डैट दे कैन कॉप विद द इंक्रीज्ड इन कंस्ट्रक्शन, ताकि वो कंस्ट्रक्शन में, हमारे निर्माण में सहायक हो सके. When this powerful machinery operates, the deafening and thumping noise of it can cause anyone a nervous breakdown. Now, what happened to these kind of machines? Machines create so many noise, and due to this kind of noise, there is a breakdown. It's impact very bad on our health, especially on our nervous system. Generally what happened when DJs are played on any party or functions, it is strictly banned by the government at late night, because there is a bad impact of this on the health of the people. That's why a kind of noise pollution is being produced by this kind of machines and music system. Other noise such as the roar of jet planes, music being played at the highest volume can also cause uneasiness and inconvenience. So other music system as like DJ, या drum, या jet planes, these kind of sound create a kind of irritation या uneasiness, बेचैनी या एक तरह से असावधानियाँ उत्पन्न करती हैं. All these types of pollution can be prevented if everyone realizes the dangers to which we are exposed. Now, how we can stop this kind of pollution? This kind of pollution can be stopped only when all the human beings come together and they think that it is their responsibility to avoid this kind of pollution. Otherwise, our life can be in danger conditions. So government should promulgate new legislation to impose a very heavy fine and imprisonment for persistent offender. So what should government do? Government should come forward and it should strictly impose all the fine and legislation, so that each and every person understand that it is his duty to help in social help work. Some of the advanced countries have already taken measures and are trying to find solution to the problems. Although there are so many countries who are now trying to solve this kind of solution, बहुत सारे देश हैं जो इस तरह के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं, और दे आर आल्सो वर्किंग टुगेदर, वे एक साथ मिलकर काम कर रही हैं. If we fail to restore the ecological balance right now, it would be too late tomorrow. And always remember, एक बात हमेशा याद रखिएगा, if any reason we fail to balance the ecological system, ये जो ecological system है, ये हमारा जो पारिस्थितिक तंत्र, यदि हम इसको फिर से बैलेंस करने में असफल हो गए, it would be too late tomorrow, तो कल बहुत देर हो जाएगा. सो इट इज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस, हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है डेट वी शुड कम फॉरवर्ड, हमें आगे आना चाहिए एंड टू सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, सो डैट द अपकमिंग जनरेशन कैन लिव इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल अर्थ. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द chapter of lesson 5, which name is pollution. So now what you have to do, you have to recall and revise this chapter, and there is some question answer. As you can see here, here is a boy complete the wave with the help of the information given in the passage. So you have, what you have to do, you have to you have to label how this create cause, what is the cause, types of pollution, you have to write in these boxes that is given, and you have to do it yourself, and I will tell you BC and other question answer through the app in your homework. So till then you all have to repeat and revise. Thank you.